Your smart TV was working fine yesterday, but after a software update, everything is broken today. Apps crashing, screen freezing, Wi-Fi disconnecting, slow performance, or even boot loop issues. This video will show you real, authentic, and workable fixes used by technicians worldwide. Welcome to Tech Vibes. First, understand the problem clearly. Smart TV updates sometimes bring software bugs, compatibility issues, or corrupted firmware files. This happens frequently on Android TV, Google TV, Tizen OS, and WebOS platforms. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Power cycle reset. Turn off the TV completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall. Wait exactly 5 minutes. This clears temporary memory and cache corruption caused by failed updates. Step 2. Clear system cache for Android or Google TV. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Storage, Internal Shared Storage. Select cached data and clear it. This fix works for lag, freezing, and random restarts. Step 3. App Compatibility Fix. After updates, older app versions often break. Open Google Play Store. Update all installed apps manually. If a specific app keeps crashing, uninstall it and reinstall again. Step 4. Network Reset. Go to Network Settings, forget your Wi-Fi network. Restart the TV. Reconnect using correct password. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 5 GHz if connection drops frequently. Step 5. Disable Auto Update temporarily. Go to Software Update Settings. Turn off Auto Update. This prevents unstable patches from installing automatically. Now, rollback reality check. Most smart TVs do not officially support software rollback. However, some Android TVs allow manual firmware downgrade using USB. Only download firmware from the official brand website, matching exact model number. Wrong firmware can permanently damage the TV mainboard. If rollback is not available, factory reset is the safest fix. Go to Settings Reset, Factory Data Reset. This removes corrupted update files and restores stability. Final professional advice: if the TV shows boot loop, black screen, or update failed error continuously, do not repeat updates. Contact authorized service center immediately. Software problems are common. Hardware damage is expensive. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real technician level solutions.